Sanibonani ndibelana busheni. Hi, welcome to Tumisi, itiye elishisa be elifuna ukuthi ungaliphuzi uhamba ngoba uzusha. Asikhulumeni ngoMangwabe. One thing about uMangwabe make saqala le ngoma yakhe ebhorayo lefana nje nokuthi ungathi uqhula ingoma zikaLundi ngo2026 uAvezibhora. Ha. Beyaqala sekathi, "Oh, I want to live kunini siyizwe leyo ngoma." Sicela usinikeze something new because that one we've heard it before. Mangwabe, we've heard that song before, Mangwabe. And one thing I love about usisi kaMangwabe is the fact that she told herself ukuthi yazini angendawo indawo zabantu abayi2 angizingeni, and she was not saying anything ubengaphawuli ubomtshela nje ukuthi umntana sekhaya hlala emendweni, that's my only wish, because uzothini ngoba kuyafana uzomadvise uthi hey phuma umntana sekhaya phuma sazi uzobe sekathini athi yini enithe ngihlale mina ngihlalise yini ngabe kudala ngile ngahamba, because you can see even now she's like I regret ukunilalela wena sisi nawe mngani ngoba manje nje uzakushisa emendweni kunzima emendweni, those type of vibes. The point that I do understand is the fact that Mangwabe said she will never accept Usamke because of the promise that was made by Mselegu, which he unfortunately failed to keep. But my thing is, don't you think the same thing that he told you is the same thing that he told Umayeni no Makhumalo? Because I feel that the same thing. Because why would you want to be in a marriage where they are telling you ukuthi khona uzokulandela? Make it make sense. Although with Makhumalo she didn't have a problem knowing ukuthi ukhona uzomlandela. I don't think ukuthi him not honoring his words means that he doesn't love him. So I'm wondering ukuthi njengoba uSamke yena nje bamthembisile ukuthi umntana abantu kuzolunga, uMangwabe is not turning back to her words of saying I want nothing to do no Samke. So Samke nje ubona ngathi indaba yakho nabantu bakamSelegu ngathi nje isazothatha isikhathi eside ukuze ungene. And the sad thing is that the wives uMakhumalo no Mangwabe, they kept saying that Umselegu changed, he's like a monster ever since egulile, those type of vibes. And it's so sad because it seemed like not it seemed like that's what they're implying, because every time they talk about how he's been a monster, how he changed after being sick. And we must remember always, by the time he got sick was the time when he was involved with Samke. As in Samke, like sometimes I empathize with her. Like I understand the wives they have valid reason to feel the way they feel, but as for Usamke, oh my god, like my heart breaks for that young woman. Even now I'm just getting emotional thinking about her. Yeah, now ufike engena qala eje ukuthi it's a polygamous marriage. She thought to herself, okay, ngingena esithembini angeke kube lula, which is what maybe she anticipated, but not to this extent, especially what is happening to Methuli. I get where Mangwabe is coming from, but the sad thing is that uMethuli umntana ongena qala, umntana akanaqala bafethu. Yeah, understand ukuthi no nayo uMangwabe has her valid reasons, but for her to deny ingane zakhe zokuthi zingabi nobudlelwane noMethuli, that for me is sad. And you can see that Umawande is not taking it, like she's like, I'm honoring my mother's words. And angeke sithi uyadelela umntana mawumntwana, if umzali wakho utshela ukuthi ungayi lapha, you are basically going to listen to your mother. You cannot reason ukuthi no, I need to go because abangezanga kabi, I'm not going to take my mother's word, because at the end of the day umama kumele umhloniphe. But the sad thing that is that the fact that umntana kaSamke has to suffer for Usamke who did nothing wrong. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong in Usamke. The only person that did into is wrong problem Selegu, but I just wish and pray with one day the wives can understand Samke's point of view, understand ukuthi uSamke akazanga lapha ukuthi ezomosha or enzeni ukubalaya, but she came there because usheliwe naye wabona indoda wayithanda, especially ngoba umbone ethi bapha nabafazi ama-Mercedes. Anyone nami nje ngabe kuyimi bengiyogijima nje kulelo thuba ngizwa bathi hey kithi kuphi, bathi lapha bengiyogijima. But I also understand where uMangwabe is coming from. I mean, the treatment that Mselegu gives uMangwabe's son, for me, I feel like it's unfair. As you've seen, Mangwabe was not staying with umntwanake, the son, because of maybe Mselegu was not accepting. And she also mentioned the fact that Mselegu does nothing for indodana yake. So now yena kumele amukele uMethuli. I mean, it's a 50-50 thing, you know.